Hare Krishna. Today, the joke and the sloka has a common word, that is circumstances. It's a court where the judge is enquiring Madan, the MD, and actually like us, that means we are surprised that Madan, MD, is making some crime or mistake and standing in the court opposite the judge. The judge also is equally surprised. He said, "You seem to be a gentleman, but you have done such a job. You have stolen some car. Is it correct for your standard?" Madan was logical always, he said, and calm. "Judge Saab, Your Honor, I agree that I have stolen the car. But you must see the circumstances." Judge was taken back. "For stealing what circumstances?" He asked, "What circumstances?" "Your Honor, I was passing through a cemetery. Outside the cemetery, this car was parked. Nobody was there. So I thought the owner anyway will not come out. So I have taken the car." How is that? If everybody who is thinking that cemetery parked vehicle is belonging to the owner who has gone inside and not come, it will be fantastic. Now, today's sloka is chapter 6, sloka number 31.
सर्वभूतस्थितं यो मां भजत्येकत्वम् आस्थितः सर्वथा वर्तमानोऽपि स योगी मयि वर्तते.
What does Krishna say in this sloka? Krishna says I. About I, when he is saying it means Krishna. The yogi who knows that I and the super soul are within all creatures are one. That means I, Krishna, and the super soul in all creatures is one. And worships me, he will always remain in me in all circumstances. Now, the practical points. Krishna likes shortcuts, but we were taught that shortcuts may cut short your life. So, but this does not apply for Krishna. You know very well. None of our rules will apply for Krishna. Not even for us it will apply if you use that shortcut for Krishna realization. So what for you are using? In that it is getting exonerated. There is no mistake. No, the gem point of today is dealing with the shortcut. Today's shortcut is, if a man knows that Krishna and Super Soul are one and worships him, becomes a yogi as per the sloka, then I am eligible, I will become a yogi right now. Because I know Krishna and Super Soul are one. I believe it, I worship him. And this, even Krishna will accept that, because I am fulfilling all the criteria given by him. To make it absolute, I will add to my life chapter 8, sloka 7 as my life's policy, that I should think of him and do whatever I do all the time. Tasmat sarveshu kaleshu mam anusmara yudhyacha mayarpita mano buddhi mame vaishyasi asamshaya. So, there is an advantage side kick also for me, that I will become a yogi as per this, and when I do this sloka also as my life's policy, whenever and wherever I go, whatever I do, I will think of Krishna and do it. Hare Krishna.